As a stock market investor, have you ever wondered what factors control the stock prices? Industry expert Ms. Amrita will clear your doubts now. Amrita, the screen is yours.
The more democratized the market is, where there are a lot of players, then nobody controls it. There was a time when your domestic institutional investors had a big influence on market. But today we see a lot of retail investors investing into the markets, mutual funds investing into the market. So even if foreign institutional investors sell, it is the mutual funds who are buying. They are buying because they are getting money. They can't be parking all the money into debt instruments. They have to park it into equity. So the more democratized the market is, nobody controls. The more closely held and opaque the market is, then one or two big investors or institutional investors can control.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.